Hare Krishna. Today I will show how to tune Madhura Mridanga. First of all, we should choose a relatively silent environment and then we'll sit for the tuning. We need to download an app called G Strings app. You will find the location of the in the Play Store. We will send you the link, or it's there in our tuning guide, which you can download the G Strings app. This is available freely on the and for an Android phone as well as for the iOS phone. So iOS phone, there may be a little different name, but more or less any tuning app is enough. So we have here downloaded G Strings app, which will show us exactly how much hertz the frequency is, right? So when we play, we can see the meter which moves around and show the particular frequency. For example, we need for the left side head, we are going to set it to 140 hertz, and for the right head we will set it to 740 hertz. 740 hertz for the right side will come up to F5 sharp, that is F Shruti, and in the 5th octave. So similarly on the large head it is C Shruti on the 3rd octave, C3 sharp, C3 major or C3 sharp, and F5 major or F5 sharp, so which corresponds to 740 hertz here and 140 hertz or 139 hertz here. So here is a mridanga which is untuned, so we will demonstrate how to tune it. We are supposed to keep the spanner ready. It's called a wrench or a spanner. The 10 number which we have provided along with Madhura Mridanga kit, you will get it. In case you don't have it or misplaced it, no problem, you can get this 10 number spanner anywhere in the local hardware shop. Okay, so now we will check what's the tune at present for the left head to start with. So it's around 260 hertz, so we need to reduce it to 140 hertz. So to reduce it, we need to turn the nuts which are here to the anti-clockwise turning is required. So first of all, Madhura Mridanga is tunable very easily. It takes very few minutes to tune it, and unlike any other mridanga, which is for example leather based mridanga, it's very tough to tune it. Okay, so to begin with, we have provided a mark here, so we'll start with that. There are 12 nuts this side and a number of 10 nuts on the right side. So we need to turn all the nuts equally so that it will be equal tuning. So we need to reduce this from 260 hertz to 140 hertz by turning the nuts anti-clockwise. So we will begin from this mark here by turning this. Let's say we turn 2 turns everywhere. 2 turns everywhere. So we have made a 2 anti-clockwise turn everywhere. After turning, we need to press the head a bit so that the head settles down after loosening or tightening, like this. So I just pressed it. Now let me check. It's 180 hertz. Still we need to come down to 40 more hertz we need to reduce. So I'll turn one turn everywhere and we'll check later. Some of the nuts are little looser than the others, so accordingly we will adjust it. Okay. So it's 156 hertz. Little more. Whichever nut is little tighter than the other can be loosened. So it's 138. I just tighten a bit, so I need 139 exactly. Okay. When you press it, it reduces a bit by 1 or 2 hertz. Okay. There we are. 138, 139. That's okay. So when you make a constant da sound like this, da 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 da, that should reflect. That's fine. 139 to 140 hertz. That's what we were looking for the left head. So let's see how to tune the right head. Currently it's at 759 hertz. We want 740 hertz exactly. So here we need to turn it again anti-clockwise to bring it down by 10 hertz. So not much, so very little. I need to turn it anti-clockwise. Very little, equally on all flaps. That will help you achieve equally. All 10 nuts beginning with the mark here, I came around, so you don't need to count. Otherwise, if you don't start from here, you can go whenever you start anywhere, you can count number 1, 2, 3 like that and then come to the 10th one. Otherwise, if you start from here, you don't need to count. You will come back naturally and then you'll realize. So now a bit. 70. We reduced a lot actually, so I need to increase a bit. I can do that very quickly. Drastic reduction was due to the pressing. As soon as I pressed it, reduced 733 hertz.